Namaste. Welcome. My name is Adriana, and I teach yoga and sound therapy classes, sound bath classes at Serasana Yoga Studio here in Austin, Texas. Today I'm here with my 3 beautiful bowls and my beautiful garden, and I would like to introduce you on how to play these beautiful sound healing instruments. So before you start playing the bowl, we find a quiet space where we can set our intention, our healing intention, which will resonate with each one of these bowls. Once we set the intention and we send it out, we find our mallets. Now there's 2 types of mallets. There's a suede mallet and there's a rubber mallet. So I'm going to start with the suede mallet, and I gently tap each bowl to activate the sound, to prime the sound of the bowl. I do that in 4 directions: north, south, east, west. Once they're primed, then we follow at a slight angle from the rim with slight pressure, not too fast, to create the flow of sound. Just allow it to move into the environment. This particular bowl is tuned to your third eye. Third eye bowl. This one is tuned to the sacral chakra. A little bit more grounding sound. And this particular bowl also can work for tuning into your heart chakra, since it's fused with rose quartz. This one is tuned to the crown. And here I'm using the rubber mallet. I'm holding it like a pencil, putting a little bit more pressure. And you just follow your intuition, basically, with these guys. Explore, play, and meditate, and just infuse yourself with the beautiful vibration they create. Have a beautiful, blessed day. Namaste.